Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. Happy Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm excited to share with you guys today our new product. We announced this at CEDIA Expo, and I'm here to share it on our YouTube channel. So when we started shipping product about a year ago, one of the things that was asked was about PoE. We said, absolutely, we understand there's an interest in PoE and adding that to the ecosystem. It will be coming. Do the regular pre-wire for IFP and you'll be good to go. As a former integrator of 17 years, it was important that the pre-wire was always the same, no matter what our product. So our pre-wire, just to clarify and remind everyone, is a single strand of fiber, single mode, single strand, and 18.2. That's all we need. That's all the ecosystem needs. So whether we're looking at our core product, whether we're looking at our PoE product, whether we're looking at our 10 gig product, hint, hint, whether we're looking at our managed switch product line, hint, hint, whether we're looking at our 48 volt product line, hint, hint, all of our ecosystems, both current and future, operate on the same platform. And we do that because as a fellow integrator, the last thing we want to do is make it harder for you. So let's touch briefly on our PoE solution. Here it is, ta-da! Comes in a 4-pack. We did it as a 4-pack, similar to our in-wall transceivers, to make it easier for you guys. Rarely, if ever, did I as an integrator ever have one PoE device in a project. There were always at least a couple cameras and a couple access points. That seemed to be always the minimum. So we wanted to make it easier for our dealers, so they're ordered in a 4-pack and they can be installed up to 4 off of 1 power supply. So let me show you what we're looking at. Here's the PoE transceiver. Again, follows the exact same pre-wire, single strand of fiber, and 18.2. Other side, just like our transceiver, your standard RJ45, and then your status lights. As an integrator, it was always difficult to then make sure you had the toolkit, making sure the technicians had the toolkit to test everything. We wanted to avoid that and do that by incorporating the testing into the device. So when you hook up power, when you hook up fiber, when you hook up your RJ45, you get your status lights right here, telling you if everything is online and ready to go, making the installs faster and easier. The form factor was also engineered by integrators for integrators, small enough so that it could fit up through the hole into a soffit, up above the lid, in the wall behind a touch panel, to make the install very, very flexible, okay? It is a full PoE Plus device, so meaning that all of your current PoE devices can be driven by this. As we talked about, it does have a dedicated 48 volt power supply because PoE requires 48 volts. So we actually engineered the product to operate on 48 volts. That way it makes it easy for you as the dealer that there's only one power line coming in, the 48 volts to drive it, and then that 48 volt PoE Plus output, okay? These are available for pre-order on our site. Take a look, get your orders in. We are going to try and fill all back orders by the end of October, but depending on our order volume, it may be into November. So make sure and get those orders in. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to us at ifpconnect.com or post those questions down below. All right. Thank you and have a great Tuesday.